And I'm back at Disneyland. It is a hot one already. It's about 10:45 and already using my fan. I might be putting my hair up very soon. I have a few Halloween agenda things that I want to get to today that I'll be sharing with you. But if you're coming, please check the weather. It is really hot today, so make sure you come prepared. I have my sunscreen on, I got my fan. I just doused down a whole thing of water. Like, come prepared for the heat. And if you haven't already watched my heat tips video, make sure you watch that. I am headed over to New Orleans Square. So this year, Jack Skellington got a new outfit. And so I'm headed over there to go and meet him. But I want to get there as one of the first guests, which I probably will not be one of the first guests already. But he starts meeting guests at 11 a.m. So I'm going to head over there because his line, it gets really long. All day long, it's long. And especially as the day goes on, it's just going to be hotter in that line. So I'm going to go get in that line first. And let's go meet Jack. Have I told you lately how much I appreciate you watching my videos? I am not one of these fancy vloggers that has like a big old camera and a speaker and all those things. I'm just walking around with my iPhone, sharing tips about the parks that I want to teach you. Do you guys know that I was a former teacher? Yes, I used to teach. I taught special ed, K through 2, and then I also taught at the junior high. And I've retired, but I love teaching. I love teaching people. I'm here to teach you about Disneyland. So let me teach you some fun tips and tricks that you can use on your Disney vacation, hopefully to have a more magical, less stressful time. I'm gonna stop right here at Bengal Barbecue and ask them for a cup of water because I might be standing in that Jack line for a little bit and I don't want to get dehydrated and it's really hot. Thank you so much. Just asked her for some ice water and perfect. Here we go. Let's take this over to meet Jack Skellington. You know where to go. This is the Royal Street Veranda. This is heading into New Orleans Square. And right here is where Jack meets, and there's already a line, which I was prepared for. But let me tell you, this is where you want to line up to meet Jack Skellington. Right over here. What's this? A visit to Halloween Town. Okay, so I just got in line. The cast member mentioned that right now the wait is about 45 minutes and Jack's not even here. So as soon as Jack starts meeting guests, it'll be about 45 minutes. He's here from 11 to about 12:30-ish. Then he takes a lunch break as well as everybody else and then comes back from 2:30 to 5:30. Those are your details about meeting Jack. Just a tip though, also waiting in line right now, I'm totally in the shade. So later today at 2:30 to 5:30, this line's not going to be so shady. So if you want to get in line, wait and meet Jack, do it in the morning time while this is all shaded. I just looked in the app and it says that he starts meeting guests at 11:15. It's like 11:03, so it's actually 11:15 when he's here. But like I said, I got in line about 10:49. So you don't want to get here at 11:15 because there's already going to be a line. But you don't want to be standing here too long either, so you decide. And he's arrived! Literally just filmed that. It's 11:04 and he just got here. So there we go. The line now, basically they said from this point, where I am in line, it's about 45 minutes. So we'll time it, I'll let you know. It's 11:23 and the line is actually moving quite nicely. I'm not too far away. They did say that Jack is not doing signatures. So if you're looking for autographs from Jack, you will not be getting them. He is not doing autographs. But I will get to see him do pictures and there's a photo pass photographer there to take photos. So this is where we're meeting Jack, right here. Inside this little alcove. And there is a photo pass photographer here to take your photos of Jack. Hello, Jack. How are you? It's so nice to meet you. I am.
What are your Halloween plans this year?
So I've come to see you. I went to Oogie Boogie and I saw you in the parade. You look fabulous.
Hey.
Yes.
No,
You and Sally.
To his party. I had to crash his party.
You had to crash Oogie's party. Oh.
I don't know why Oogie Boogie gets a party and I don't.
I know, but I also saw you over in the Haunted Mansion.
Oh, did you like it?
Oh yes, loved it.
Do you think
always.
it's scary enough this year?
It's scary enough.
Oh,
yes.
good.
But not too scary.
Oh, good. Just a perfect mix of scary and merry, I think.
Exactly. I agree. I love the combination of the two holidays.
Yes. I don't know if Santa Claus would approve, but No, I'm trying.
You're doing great.
Thank
Great,
you, thank
great.
you.
Is Zero here? I don't see Zero.
Well, I don't see him.
I don't see
He
him.
might be at the mansion.
It's 11:44 and I just got done meeting with Jack, and he actually just took a break. So didn't even take the full 45 minutes like they said. It was about 40-ish minutes, but still, I mean, you plan on standing in line for a little bit, but it was not bad at all. Standing in the cool, and then I had water in my fan. So I really enjoyed that character interaction. Jack totally was chatting it up with me, talking with me, had a great time, and I really like his new costume. I love how he talks. I mean, like, it's just great. So definitely put Minnie Jack Skellington on your list. Here at Disneyland, like that took me, 40 minutes? So over at Walt Disney World, they wait 2.5, 3 hours to see Jack. So make sure you see him here at Disneyland. We met Jack. Now let me show you how to meet more characters in their Halloween costumes in Town Square. There's the train station. There's where you come in the front gates. And there's Town Square. There's Pumpkin Mickey. And then right over here in this corner, this is where the characters come in and out. Oh, how cute! Clarabelle! You look amazing! Your outfit, I love your necklace, your goggles. You kind of look like the mad scientist or something? Yeah. Oh, I love it! So cute! Clarabelle, thanks! Happy Halloween! Just met Clarabelle back over there, and the app says that there's some more characters coming out soon. So I'm gonna hang around here in the hub, and I'm gonna see if I can't see any more characters in their new Halloween costumes. Like, your shoes are just too cute. I love it. Can you do another twirl for me? Oh yes, fabulous, fabulous. Love it, love it. Can we get a photo? Aww. Minnie is right over there. I just met Minnie, and then I'm gonna come right over here because in this corner we've got Goofy. Hi, Goofy. So tell me about your outfit here. Are we like a space? Oh, are you okay? All right. So zombie space. I don't know what space. I love the shoes though. They are really cool. I love it. She's done. Mickey, your outfit matches Minnie. Yeah. It's like, are you like a wizard? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Can you do a twirl for me? Let me see. Nice. And check out his shoes. Dale, you look so cute. We got Chip, Dale. Can you do a twirl for us? Oh, are you guys like superheroes with your capes? You're a superhero and you're a villain? Oh, I see. A superhero. Can I get a picture? Look, it's Daisy in her Halloween outfit. Super cute. So this is where characters go in and out if you want to see characters. Another way to see characters in their Halloween costumes is when they perform with the band as shown here. This happens around 12:20 every day. You'll want to be in front of the train station to see this. The Halloween Cavalcade is another opportunity to see the characters in their Halloween costumes. We're doing in their new Halloween costumes. The Halloween Cavalcade happens twice a day along the parade route. Check the Disneyland app for the exact times. It's just a short 2-minute cavalcade, and so you don't have to line up ahead of time. Just find a spot along the parade route and watch. It's an opportunity to see rare characters and also to see the villains. The villains come out for this performance. Let's hop over to Disney California Adventure for more character opportunities. First stop is the Disney Junior Theater, where you can see a fun Halloween Mickey show. So Mickey's Trick and Treat is the Disney Junior show going on right now that you can see during the day.
Happy Halloween, everybody!
Get on your costumes and hit the streets. We're about to have some spooky fun. Knocking on doors, that's how it's done. Knock, knock, knock.
Hey, pals. Am I late?
Goofy, welcome to our party! Whoa, cool costume! A mummy, huh?
Yup, we're in Hollywood. I'm my own rap party.
Story and treats.
Over near Goofy's Sky School in the Plaza de la Familia area, you can meet Miguel. So the meet and greet over here in the corner is still Miguel. Let's go meet Miguel. There's no line. Okay, so let me show you. This is Goofy's Sky School. That's the attraction right there. And that restaurant right there is Paradise Garden Grill. So just so you know kind of where the meet and greet location is, it's right here in this gazebo. Look, there's Miguel. Hi, Miguel. Oh, it's a pleasure to meet you. Oh, podemos hablar en español. Sí, ¿por qué no? Oh. Oh, okay. Well, I love that. So I've seen your show. I love it. It's the dancing, the music, the costumes. It's amazing. Can I get a picture with you? Yes, of course. Awesome. Vamos a bailar? Yeah. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then last one. 1, 2, and 3. You're set. Thank you. Adios. Now let's head over to Carsland and see who we can find. The Cars characters have Halloween costumes, and they call them CARstumes. And they will come out here and they will meet and greet guests. Look who I spotted. It's Red the Firetruck in his clown costume for Halloween. You can see them during the day as well as the nighttime. Remember I told you this is where the Cars characters meet in their costumes. So there's Mater in his vampire outfit, meeting guests. And I also spotted Lightning McQueen in his superhero costume. That's all for now, friends, but make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss this upcoming video of the character meet and greet at Goofy's Kitchen during Halloween time.